In this video, I'll be explaining what global and local state is, how it works, and when you should use it. Global and local state is the primary way to store small amounts of data with a smart contract. If you're trying to store larger amounts of data, you should consider boxes. Both global and local states are made up of key value pairs, where the key is limited to a maximum of 64 bytes, and the key plus the value totaling up to no more than 128 bytes. All data stored in global or local state is publicly visible, so should not be used for private or confidential data. However, this allows one smart contract's global or local state to be readable by all other smart contracts. Global state can store up to 64 key value pairs and is recorded directly to the smart contract, or rather the creator account. Local state data can store up to 16 key value pairs and is recorded on the user account. But in order for local state to be available for an account, they must have opted in to the smart contract first. Also, a user may choose to issue a clear state transaction at any time, removing their local state data from the ledger. Typically, you would use global state for storing data or information which is applicable to the wider audience, whereas local state data should only be used when you're storing data or information that is specific to that individual account. For example, if a smart contract is keeping count of individual users' votes as well as the running total, each user would have their votes stored in their respective local states, and the running total would be stored in the global state. This way, a well-written smart contract could deduct users' votes from the running total should they decide to call a clear state transaction.